Welcome to the first installment of the EggDisk tutorial. My name is Chris Abraham, and I work with the gang at EggDisk to provide lots and lots of free online file hosting and file storage for your images and your business articles and backup and so forth at eggdisk.com. That's eggdisk.com. With promotions, 7 gigs of lifetime storage. By default, 6. Look around for some promotions. Also, extra bandwidth if you need it. Look around for those promotions. Here we are at the main page. You can see if you sign up, there's can upload most file types. Large storage space, can manage the files in kind of an online desktop file area. Photo gallery, music and videos to your site for MySpace, and you can access it anywhere you can get online. So all you need to do is click sign up free. Scroll down here, choose a username. It'll automatically tell you if it's free. I'll choose Chris A with a sneaky password twice, and then I will put in my email address. Then I click register. Easy as that. It says that you've been registered Chris A, and it requires an activation. So what I do is I go check my email client, get mail. Hopefully something's there. Activation, account activation. And all I do is click the little link or copy and paste it. It'll take me back here and say, please log in now to access your account. So I will log in with my new account, and here I am. Ta-da! So right out of the box, we have a default folder called My Documents, set as private. You can change that to browsable if you like, by saying share this folder. But you can first start to just upload files into this folder. There's 2 ways of doing it. You can do it file by file. For example, my pictures. I'll look at thumbnails. I want the sob, and then I can do another one. I want the EggDisk, and another one. I want, let's see, the baby chick. And for reasons of MySpace, I want a picture of my silly mug. So I will upload that. Now I can upload that, and then I'll upload the selected files. And it's as easy as that. If you'll see while it's uploading, there's lots and lots of different files that I can upload, file types. So what it does is it immediately gives me a bunch of easy-to-use codes that you can use for either message boards in the BB format, BB tags, which are usable on message boards like PHP BB and all those other types of things. And then you have HTML format, which is, you know, very explicit, good quality HTML. You can make the BB casing lowercase or uppercase, and then you can do a direct link to each particular thing directly to the image, so that you can have image sources or just the direct URLs. Then you can just select them all, copy to clipboard. For IE, you just generally select all and then go to edit and copy or Control-C, and then you're good to go. The next way you can upload files, go to upload here on the taskbar. You can browse for a file that's called upload.zip. It's called batch uploading. So it's really cool. There's instructions here on batch uploading, yada yada. Let me just show you how it's done. I go look for a file in here that I've zipped before called upload.zip, and then I upload selected files. I can click extract zip files so that when it gets up there, it all kind of spreads everything out and allows me to populate my storage area much more quickly. Who knows how long that is, but as we're waiting, we can see that allowed file types include JPEGs and PNGs and GIFs and bitmaps and WAV files and MP3s and movie files and RARs and zips and tar-GZs and shockwave and all that kind of stuff. So if you're missing out on any, please pop me an email to chris@eggdisk.com and we will try to add those file types for you. So I'm going to cancel out of this because it does take a little while for things to upload. So please excuse me. All right. So we've got these several files. They're all image files. So I'm going to also upload a document. By going up to My Documents, and let's see. I can upload a podcast thing that I was working on from a novel that I'm sort of writing. So we'll upload that, but we'll also upload let's see. Blogging classes, so I'll upload that. And I upload those two files. The MP3, I'm pretty sure is going to be a little while, but it shouldn't be that long. So we'll try to just bring attention to some other things. You'll see that there are a lot of advertising. Oh, here we go. That was quick. Like I said before, you can have direct links, or you can just go forward. And you can start creating different ways of organizing things. You can create a new folder. I'll call this one Photos. I can describe it. My fancy photos. And then I can create this folder as a photo folder, which I will. And I make it public, so that everybody can look at it. Now that I have that folder called Photos, I can take these images, my face, the chick, the EggDisk, and the sob, and I could move to Photos. You'll see we now have photos here, and they're viewable by thumbnails. It recognizes them as photos. I could look at these as thumbnails. I could always look at them directly. Download the full version. I can browse them. I can look at them in a very similar manner that I would look at them on any other type of image type of site, and there's my crazy mug. That's what the guy looks like. Anyway, I can go back to my files, and I can edit them there. Blogging classes, or the various and sundry. If I go to my my audio file, I can click that, and it'll download it for me. Let me stop that. Egad. Or I can go in here and I can highlight this and I can say get linking codes. So I can take my cool first recording for a podcast that I'm doing, and I can get the HTML format directly there. So I can change the name of it to a prettier name, such as Hill Mole Podcast Chapter 1. And I can just copy that and I can paste that into my hillmole.com blog and host the files right off of EggDisk. Oops, see, look at that. Isn't that great? So here we go. What else is there? There's public upload, place you can upload files even if you haven't logged in. For example, I uploaded the Hill Mole logo just for fun. This is a kind of place you can put stuff where you don't need to even log in for it. You can always get back to my files, but it's also interesting to look at members. A lot of people will allow you to browse their stuff. See right here? You can also send them a personal message, browse their stuff, see their email. There's currently over 6,309 registered users who are enjoying the service. If you go into your user control panel, you'll see that you have information here. You've account info, such as email address, user level, max bandwidth counter reset every 30 days, and max storage 6 gigs. You can send messages, you can change your preferences, such as allow other users to view my email or allow other users to message me, or to edit email and password. So you can update the password if for some strange reason you've lost control of your account. Please also enjoy the forums. You can you can ask questions. You can keep up with what's going on here. Requires a separate login, but it does support BB code, so you can link like crazy over here. You can test linking first if you like. And then that's it right now. I don't think I'm going to go into any more. It's pretty, you need to come on here and you need to kind of like check it out. My files. The things you can't do is you can't change the name of the file once you upload it. So that's going to maybe be frustrating to some people, but give it a try. You can share the files with other people. You can use this as an excellent place to upload large files instead of sending them via email. Also check out the official EggDisk blog, which is eggdisk.blogspot. And I keep everything up to date there in terms of how many people are online and how many registered users there are and the kind of promotions that we have now. So anyway, if you have any questions, my email address is chris@eggdisk.com. I'm very interested in helping you in any way we can. There's only 2 of us, so please bear with us as we grow and expand. We look to help you in any way possible. Anyway, thank you for visiting EggDisk. Like I said, my name's Chris Abraham, and let me log out from my account and show you what you will see when you arrive here. EggDisk.com. Your free, amazing, lifetime, wicked cool, wicked fast, wicked big online site hosting and file storage solution. Thank you and have a good night.